Emma, is that spaghetti good? Wow. I've never seen her eat like that. Emma. And she looks for Daddy, she's telling you put more on her plate. She is so cute. Oh my goodness.
Oh, you want the little plate?
And she might want the spoon. Oh my gosh. Oh. Well, I think we have to go home after this and wash someone down. Look at this.